Hi Radhika,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Radhika, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for your course completing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Radhika, can you introduce yourself about your college and about your background?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Radhika here. I'm from Bidar. I have completed my BE in Civil Engineering in PDA College of Engineering, Gulbarga. I came here for the course of CACM plus BIM. I have joined in January 1. I have completed my course 2 months before.
Okay, have you got to know about CMTI Institute?
Actually, I got to know through the website, which I was searching in Google, top most institute in Bangalore. From that, I got to know, and even my 2 3 friends have taken the course from this course. I have taken the feedback from them also. Then I got to know about this course.
Okay, as you have mentioned, you have joined for CACM plus BIM, like Advanced Construction Management and Building
Yes.
Installation. So, what are the new topics you have learned? How the course helped you?
I have learned a lot in this course, ma'am. It includes all the even the CAD and SketchUp and Revit, and mainly the quantity surveying thing. I have learned a lot in this course, and here every trainers are very expert and very knowledgeable. I have gained a lot through this course, which I am implementing in my daily work life.
Okay, for which mode you have joined, like offline, hybrid, or online?
I have joined for online course only, ma'am.
Okay, may I know why you have chosen online?
Because I correspondingly I am doing a work I have taken a course for my side knowledge. While I'm a working professional, so that's why I can't come to the offline classes. So I have taken the course online so that I can attend anytime, anywhere.
Okay, that's nice. What are the things you have learned? Like, how was the trainer's support towards you? How they supported? Like, you
Uh,
were in the online session, so how the coordinators and daily updates were given for you?
The trainers were very supportive, ma'am. Whenever I get the doubts or whenever I have any problem, they came to clarify everything. They have cleared my all the doubts and all. And there is nothing issue in taking the online classes. We can take it and learn it in even online.
Like, how was the daily updates were given for you, the session timings and
The
all?
daily updates were they will post the schedule of the classes every 1 day before. So we'll get to know the classes timings and all. According to that, we can join the classes and prepare ourselves. And if we are not available to attend the classes, means we can take the recording of the day and we can practice on that at any time.
Okay, what are the softwares you have learned?
I have learned AutoCAD, SketchUp, Revit, and Enscape little bit.
Okay. Finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors who are want to join CMTI or want to take part in CMTI?
I want to say that anyone, if they are thinking of joining the CMTI, it's a right choice because I have gained a lot of things from this institute, and even I will suggest to my juniors or seniors they can join and take the knowledge what they want. They will get everything here, and here everything trainers and all are very supportive. They can take this course with no hesitation or no doubts in their mind. They can go ahead with this CMT.
Okay, Radhika. Thank you for your feedback. Nice talking with you. Congratulations for completing the course. Have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank